Hi, I'm Angela Tripoli, and today we're diving into how to build messaging that doesn't just resonate, but scales. Whether you're launching a new product, entering a new market, or building a brand foundation, messaging is the backbone of any strategy. So let's dive in. Step 1, do your homework. Scalable messaging starts with insight, not assumptions, insight. Before you write a word, listen and learn from all angles. Talk to customers about their pain points, analyze competitors' positioning, read analyst reports to understand industry language, and interview partners to see what stories resonate. This triangulated research gives you an evidence-based foundation to build on. Step 2, talk to your internal experts. It's important to strike a balance between outside in and inside out fact-finding. Your sales reps know which messages close deals. Customer success hears what keeps customers happy or frustrated. And your executives, they see the big picture vision. These internal interviews are gold mines. They surface language that aligns with your company's goals and what your market actually hears. Step 3, build your messaging house. Once you've collected your data, it's time to architect your messaging house. And just like constructing a real house, it's critical to start at the foundation, connecting pain points to benefits. Then, build your value pillars, including benefit statements and proof points. And finally, tie this together with your vision or positioning statement. Each level should connect logically and emotionally. And remember, your messaging house is only scalable if it's documented and accessible across teams. Which brings us to step 4, apply and scale. Once you have your messaging house, scaling comes pretty naturally. Think about it. That same core messaging can power your website, pitch decks, ads, customer emails, even how your SDRs start a call. Your job is to translate, not reinvent it every time. Every format is what brings that new lens, but the underlying story should stay the same. Consider using AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to scale content generation while staying on message. And finally, step 5, measure the impact. Scaling doesn't mean saying more. It means saying the right things consistently across more channels. It means your customers, your partners, and your internal teams are all telling the same story. That's when messaging becomes a force multiplier for growth. So how do you measure the impact of your messaging? You need to track both qualitative and quantitative signals across the funnel. That includes everything from messaging recall, engagement, and A/B test performance, to how often sales uses your messaging and whether it shows up in customer conversations and wins. The strongest signal is when analysts, partners, and customers even start using your language themselves. That's when you really know it's landing. So to track the impact of your messaging, consider creating a dashboard that touches on brand awareness. Use media monitoring or social listening tools to see if your messages, like keywords and phrases, are appearing in industry conversations, analyst reports, or even competitor content. Qualitative resonance. Are prospects parroting your messaging back to you? Are they asking questions based on your stated differentiators or using your language in RFPs? Those are all good signs. A/B test results. If you're testing different messaging to measure appeal and relevance across different mediums and channels. Sales team adoption. Track how often sales teams are actually using your messaging collateral, your pitch decks, or your talk tracks. And finally, pipeline impact. Shorter sales cycles or improved conversion rates often signal more effective positioning. Then, leverage these insights to continuously improve. All right, that's it. So remember, do your research, talk to your people, build your house, scale with purpose, then measure the impact. And don't be afraid to bring some AI into the mix. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.